بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dua when replying to the reply of Alhamdulillah after sneezing. Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum. Allah guide you and rectify your affairs.